Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Hulu Live, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Type www.hulu.com in the address bar. Press the enter key to navigate to the Hulu website. On the top right corner, locate the login button. Click on the login button. You will see a prompt asking for your email address. Enter your registered email address in the specified field. Click the next button to continue. Now, a password field will appear. Type in your password associated with your Hulu account. After entering your password, click the login button. If your email and password are correct, you will be directed to your Hulu homepage. In case you forget your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once logged in, explore the content available on Hulu Live. Adjust your settings as needed for a personalized experience. Remember to log out when you finish, especially on shared devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.